Hi everybody. This is another part of Autodoc video tutorials on replacing car parts. In this video, we will show how you can replace fuel filter on Volkswagen Passat B6 on your own. See the description below to follow the links to our web store where you can buy the spare parts. Open the hood. Use a Torx No T20. Loosen the filter cover fixing bolts. Unscrew the fuel filter cover. Remove the fuel filter. Remove the old sealing ring. Install new O-rings of the filter element. Install a new fuel filter. Please note, it is important not to mix up the filter sides. Arrows on the filter indicate the fuel flow direction. Install and tighten the cap of the fuel filter housing. Use a Torx No T20. Close the hood. Before the start, be sure to bleed the fuel system to prevent the air in leakage. Click a thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.